Aloha everybody and welcome to Aloha Life Now. My name is Danny Gong. I will be your host and real estate agent. Here are some before and after video of the 1184 Iki Place house in Kahala. This house has been completely redone from ground to ceiling with newly done landscaping. The open concept living room has continuous luxury floor vinyl flooring, and there are 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Here is the half bathroom. Here's the open kitchen, a large island and very large split AC, and here is the Large Lanai on the side of the house with 2 ceiling fans, cabinets, and a new washer and dryer. Here is the second bedroom, smaller out of the 4 bedrooms. It can be a kid's room or can be made into an office space. Here is the full bathroom with large mirror and counters and a large storage space. Completely redone the wall of the bathroom with nice accented tiles. Here is bedroom number 3. It is located toward the back of the house with split AC and is a quite nice large room. Here is the master bedroom, number 4 out of all the bedrooms, and I really love this bedroom. It is quite large with a nice accented wall, split AC, ceiling fan, has a walk-in closet, counter space, private bath, and double vanity sinks. The walk-in closet is a nice sized closet, plenty of storage space for his and hers. And the counter space is a nice use of that area, so you can sit down and have area for putting on your makeup or just getting ready. The large standing shower is amazing. It is so big. You stand right underneath the rainfall shower head, or you can just sit down and enjoy, your steam shower. The shower head comes with rubber tips so that you can remove any calcification, and you just enjoy your shower after a long day's work. Now imagine coming back home to your nice open living room and kitchen concept home. Here is the view from the kitchen. Plenty of space on that island with storage areas below. Plenty of bright lighting, new appliances, and it's just a great use of the space. It really opens up the home. You have your dining table. You can imagine enjoying dinner with your family here. Well, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-car garage, single family home in Kahala, Oahu. If you have any questions about homes here in Hawaii or condos, I'll be happy to help give you information and help you out. If you're interested in just how people staged this home or even remodeled it, I can get you in contact with the people who did everything. As you can see, this is just top quality, and I hope that you'll be able to be really satisfied with the work that they have done. So thank you again, and feel free to contact me anytime. Aloha.